Hello guys, Craig from fixitfallows, and today I am with a Karcher pressure washer wand. Okay, this isn't actually mine, this is my son's, and the problem being with it is that as you probably know, you have these different attachments that go into the main gun itself, and you put that in there like that and you push it down, it's under sprung tension, and twist it and it locks into place. Well, it won't push in because whatever that is in there that's sprung loaded seems to be jammed and stuck into place. So we're going to open it up and see if we can fix it. Right, so we're going to open up this gun section. As you can see, there are a series of screws all the way through. They're Torx headed, so I'm just going to take the Torx bit and just get on with undoing all of those. Right, okay, there are all the screws undone. I've taken some of them out, some of them are still in, doesn't really matter. Now, I'm going to open up this really carefully because there might be springs and stuff inside, and it'll be handy to kind of see where they went before they spring out. So I'm just going to lift it up ever so slightly, and as it is, nothing sprung out crazily. Right, so what do we have here? Okay, this section comes out by the looks of it. Right, so that all comes out completely. Now that is still stuck in the end of there. Right, okay, now this section here is just a push fit. It can just be pulled out, you see, like that. There's a little rubber seal there, so if ever you have any leaks from this area of the gun, you can always replace this little rubber seal there. Okay, and now that leaves us with this section here, and it's all moulded one piece from what I can see. Right, now, going by the size of the bore of that bit in there, so if we're predominantly looking at the yellow bit in there, okay, that looks to be, off the top of my head, what, 14mm, 15mm across. And then as you see the size of this bit here is only 10mm. So the bit that we're saying is stuck can't ever really go any further into this bit, it can only go into this bit. Right, it turns out it was something very, very simple. This is the lance bit, and it's got this yellow insert in there, which is kept in place by these little lugs or tabs in the cutout. Okay, so that locks into position there. Well, lo and behold, using these long nose pliers, I pulled out the yellow bit that was in the end there, only to find this yellow thing, which is on face value exactly the same as the insert in the end of the lance. Okay, now with that now removed from here, look, I can actually put the lance in. So it looked very much like this yellow bit was never meant to be in there in the first place. When you look down there, all you should see is this plastic protrusion and the spring. Having spoken to my son, I asked him to look at his other accessories and attachments, and on his snow foam attachment, that's missing. So it would seem that when the snow foam attachment was last fitted to the gun, this bit come out and got stuck in the end of there. So that goes back on the snow foam bit. Nothing goes in there, and it all works. So there you go, all back together. Now that the offending little piece has been removed from the end of the gun, we can now take the lance, push it in, and twist, and it all locks into place. Super simple. Now obviously Had I have known that this was never meant to have been in the end of here, I would never have needed to take all this to pieces, and I could have just used these pliers to pull that out. Still, I've learned, so that you now know, if you have the same trouble, if you can't get one of your attachments into your Karcher gun, have a look to see if one of these is stuck in there. There you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos, and I shall see you again very soon. Bye bye.